As the old saying goes, give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. In the world of making money online, it's important to not only learn the secrets of success, but also to understand the process behind it. That's why, in this video, we are going to uncover the untold secrets of how to make money with ChatGPT, from beginner to pro. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your earnings to the next level, this video is for you. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. The first untold secret is to start with small projects. Starting with small projects is an excellent way to gain experience and build your skills when using ChatGPT to make money. To find the best small projects to start with, identify your skills and interests. Consider what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Then, find projects that align with those areas. Also, to attract more clients, consider offering a variety of services that align with your skills and interests. For example, if you are good at writing, you can offer content creation, proofreading, or research services. Make sure you also use online platforms to find small projects. You can try online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These platforms allow you to find clients who are looking for specific services and offer a secure way to manage payments and contracts. Ensure you also build your portfolio. These will help attract more clients and build your reputation. Make sure you build a portfolio of your work. Include examples of your best work and showcase your skills and expertise. When working on small projects, focus on delivering high-quality work that meets or exceeds your clients' expectations. This can help you build long-term relationships and generate more referrals. After completing a project, ask your client for feedback on your own. This can help you improve your skills and identify areas for improvement. If you intend to make money with ChatGPT, another secret is to focus on building your skills and knowledge about the platform. This can be done by taking courses or reading resources on how to use ChatGPT effectively. By doing so, you can become more proficient in using the platform and better equipped to provide high-quality services to clients, which can lead to increased earnings. Taking courses or reading resources can help you learn the ins and outs of ChatGPT, including how to use its various features and tools, how to communicate effectively with clients, and how to deliver high-quality work that meets their needs. Additionally, you can gain valuable insights and tips from experienced professionals who have already achieved success on the platform. Investing time in building your skills can be challenging, but it can pay off in the long run. By becoming an expert on ChatGPT, you can increase your credibility and attract more clients, which can lead to higher paying jobs and a more stable income. As a freelancer, another way to make money using ChatGPT is by networking and marketing yourself. This is essential to finding new clients and building a reputation. You can create a website, use social media to promote your services, or attend networking events to connect with potential clients and collaborators. When it comes to networking, it's important to build connections with other professionals on the platform, such as other freelancers or clients. By doing so, you can learn from others, gain insights into industry trends, and potentially even secure new job opportunities. Marketing yourself is also crucial for success on ChatGPT. This can involve creating a strong profile that showcases your skills and expertise, as well as actively promoting your services to potential clients. You can use social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter to share your profile and connect with potential clients, or even create your website or blog to showcase your work. Another key aspect of marketing yourself is to provide excellent service to your clients. By delivering high-quality work, communicating effectively, and going above and beyond to meet their needs, you can build a positive reputation and increase the likelihood of receiving repeat business or referrals. Offering specialized services is another powerful strategy for making money with ChatGPT. By providing services that align with your interests or expertise, you can stand out in a crowded market, attract clients who value your skills, and command higher rates for your work. One way to offer specialized services is to focus on a specific industry. For example, if you have expertise in the healthcare sector, you can offer consulting services to healthcare companies or provide medical writing services. By positioning yourself as an expert in a particular industry, you can attract clients who value your knowledge and experience. Another way to offer specialized services is to focus on a specific skill or technology. For instance, if you have experience in chatbot development, you can offer chatbot development service. Alternatively, their customer service. Alternative, if you are fluent in multiple languages, you can offer translation services to clients looking to reach a global audience. Ultimately, the key to offering specialized services is to identify what sets you apart from other freelancers on the platform and focus on that niche. By specializing in a particular industry, skill, or technology, you can position yourself as an expert in that area and attract clients who value your expertise. This, in turn, can lead to higher paying jobs and a more stable income on ChatGPT. To maintain a steady stream of income, focus on building long-term relationships with clients who value your work. You can offer discounts for repeat business or provide additional value by offering resources or tips related to your work. Using ChatGPT to develop a chatbot, create an ebook, or develop a course is also an effective way to make money as a freelancer or business owner. To get started, make sure you develop your skills. To create a chatbot, ebook, or course using ChatGPT, you will need to have a solid understanding of the technology and how it works. You can develop your skills by taking courses or reading resources online. Before creating your product, identify your target audience and their needs. Consider what information or services they might be looking for and develop your product accordingly. There are a variety of platforms you can use to sell your product, such as Amazon KDP for ebooks, Udemy for courses, or Shopify for chatbots. Choose a platform that aligns with your product and target audience. Once you have identified your target audience and chosen a platform, it's time to create your product. Use ChatGPT to develop a chatbot, write your ebook, or create your course content. Be sure to provide high-quality, valuable content that will meet the needs of your target audience. Once your product is complete, you'll need to market it to your target audience. Use social media, email marketing, or other marketing channels to promote your product and drive sales. Also, when selling a product, it's important to provide excellent customer support. Be available to answer questions, provide guidance, and address any concerns your customers may have. By using ChatGPT to develop a chatbot, create an ebook, or develop a course, you can potentially generate passive income and expand your revenue streams. Remember to stay focused, stay motivated, and continuously develop your skills to stand out in the market. Scaling your business on ChatGPT can help you generate more revenue by reaching more users and increasing the scope of your services. As you gain more experience and success on the platform, you can consider taking your business to the next level by hiring other freelancers or developing a team to manage larger projects. Hiring other freelancers or building a team can allow you to handle more work and take on larger projects on ChatGPT. By having a team of skilled professionals, you can offer a wide range of services and take on more clients. This can help you generate more revenue and establish a reputation as a reliable and efficient service provider on the platform. Expanding your services to target larger clients or enter new industries is another way to scale your business on ChatGPT. By offering services to larger clients, you can generate more revenue and take on more high-profile projects. This can help you establish yourself as a leader in your industry on ChatGPT and generate more business from word-of-mouth referrals. In addition, expanding into new industries can help you reach new users and diversify your revenue streams on ChatGPT. For example, if you are a chatbot developer who specializes in language learning, you could expand your services to include chatbots for other industries, such as finance or healthcare. This could help you reach new users and generate more revenue from different sources. To summarize, scaling your business on ChatGPT can help you make more money by expanding your services, hiring other freelancers, or building a team. Target larger clients and entering new industries. By taking these steps, you can establish yourself as a leader in your industry on the platform and generate more revenue from a wider user base. These are just a few ways you can use ChatGPT to potentially make money as a freelancer or business owner. Remember to stay focused, stay motivated, and continuously develop your skills to stand out in the market. In conclusion, making money with ChatGPT is an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to monetize their skills and expertise. With these untold secrets, Both beginners and experienced professionals can generate more revenue on the platform. Whether you are offering chatbot development, content creations, or other services, there are many strategies you can use to increase your income on ChatGPT. From building long-term relationships with clients to scaling your business by expanding your services or hiring a team, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.